Right guys, so here it is, the Alumilite Swirl pot. It was really fun. Some of the colours didn't come out where I exactly wanted them. See, this purple or violet here, I would like that to be a bit more dispersed, but I suppose once it's in the resin and it's setting up, it's pot luck. But there's some really cool colours running in the bottom, the flow yellow, orange and green, also running through the lid. I don't know if you see that. Yeah, there we go. Oh. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm leaving the bottom on, and I am going to mount it onto a small piece of elm wood. Basically on the bottom there, I am going to take it back on the lathe and just straighten this off just a little bit. I'm not too worried about the bottom because it's going to be in the elm, epoxied onto the elm. but I'm going to just tidy up these edges once it's on. So basically what I don't want to do is take this off, because what will happen is I will lose a lot of the effect running in the bottom of the pot. So I think it would be quite nice on the elm once that's all polished up and that. The lid's quite tight. I was debating whether to put a finial on the top or not, but I quite like it as it is. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, please hit that subscribe button, also that like button. Thank you very much to the subscribers that have come over to my channel, and my subscribers are already here. I am going to be doing a giveaway at 150 subscribers. I don't know what yet, but we will see. It will probably be something I made on the lathe, whether it be a pen or a pot or anything I do at that point, I don't know. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, guys. Really do appreciate it, and I'll see you again next week.